Hey, y'all watching our podcast. Hey.
Good clap. Good show. Gonna be titled Joey Carries. Carried by the Ktty clan.
Hey.
Yeah, I gotta do it on A.
Train.
Couple of actually. Oh, my boy sniped me at A. I'm tight.
Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, Claymore, I'm tight.
Yeah, but I think I heard somebody on your right.
Y'all shooting each other.
Oh, okay, the shoot was up top. Showing the crate.
How was that not a hit?
Defuse.
Defuse it.
You're good.
Jenya, you shot that boy in the neck and nothing happened.
What the? Is he not the fuse?
The fuse guys? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was smoked for a reason. What
No,
a
alive.
Everybody's done.
Look at Jenny.
Ain't nobody there to defuse it.
Yeah,
You got too much tissue in your mouth, new reaction.
I was like, yo, is he gonna fuse or not? But, yeah, I guess it all worked out.
Oh, I'm tight. Oh, this guy's behind you, Jenya. Up top. Damn.
Oh. But he's on top of that?
That man got up top real quick.
I didn't know he could even go up there.
Facts. Good shit, Jay. That was the guy.
Oh. Ooh. Almost had him, man.
That's later, bro. That's later. Damn it, man. Tight.
There's another one.
Where? Was the last one?
No, but what was that? There was two.
Yeah, so.
Yes, I meant?
Yeah.
So. Yeah. He wasn't just that, Joe. He went around.
Yeah, I said it came around. Called the other side down. I heard him with the mic.
Imagine me and this nigga sitting behind the train.
Better than your mama being on one, sucker.
And back.
That guy got up on this yellow building on the. I don't even know how, bro.
Come on, man. On the blue crates, bro. Two of them.
Damn. He's on top of the. He's on top of
Our spawn, you said?
Was it B or that A?
Here?
Yeah, it's that B. He was on top of the crate of B from where he killed me.
That blue crate.
I just seen he went to B. He's going to B. What?
What the hell, Bobby? That guy was just sitting in the garage looking at me.
It's crate.
Alright, he knew I was coming around. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's over on B.
Wait, what the
The last
other one
one.
is?
Who's with me?
Which I'm with you.
Man.
I got a smoke. Got me covered? Go for it.
He'll be on that side. Oh, Joel, you're right.
He's on the right and behind rocks.
Good clap.
Nice,
Good
nice,
shit.
let's go. My man, good stuff. Sacrifice!
Sacrifice.
Oh, he's so good.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
You ass.
Hey, man.
They probably think it's Joey talking shit every time.
Nigga.
Yeah, so they get so tight, yo.
People get so tight, yo. It's hilarious. If I lose, I'm just like, shit, let's play another one. That's literally not that big of a deal.
They get so fucking tight, bro. That shit fucking hilarious.
Sniper on A. Fuck, I got a shotgun. Thought I had a sniper.
Boy.
Oh, yep. Sniper.
Oh, I suck. Oh, man.
Bro, these niggas are.
Oh, you tight, Murph.
I am tight for shit. I'm super tight.
Have you killed that guy who killed me already?
Yeah, Joel, there's a couple on your right. There's a sniper on your right as well.
Okay,
Hey.
Joey. Okay, Joey.
Did he get the guy with the C4?
Nah, the first two still up.
Oh, he's still over there.
Right. Murph.
Damn.
You got this.
I could feel it.
Put B flat.
Happen?
One killed me by train tracks, the other one was around B, so be careful.
Good, man, you had no time to go there.
Right there, right there.
Fucking faggot.
Try plant, look it. That's me.
Obvious up at least, though.
Motherfucker just standing out in the middle, like eating a bowl of cereal.
Right there, right there.
Damn.
Fuck. I'm
Oh,
gangster,
yeah.
nigga. Fuck.
Oh, tank. Spray
Free
paint and
pictures,
everything.
Ooh.
And oh,
Damn.
tank.
Tight. Look at this dude. This dude is fucking tweaking, bro.
No, he's doing it on purpose.
My man snorted 3 extra Adderalls today.
I'm tight, y'all.
Okay, I guess nobody wants to bomb. Alright, okay.
Cuz, fuck that bomb, cuz.
Oh, one was aiming there.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Bitch.
I'm doing crappy now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
look at this wall.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody's on B still. The crate's on B. Damn, I was trying to blow that shit up earlier.
Man.
That shit should have.
Lee, what the hell was that?
That shit wasn't triggering. That shit should have triggered right in his grill.
Lee, what was that guy?
Shit should have triggered you. I'm tight.
Yeah, I'm master.
Fuck it, there's only one left.
Who's B?
John yells at B.
Watching that side. You just open the door? You open showers?
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Where?
Behind.
Where?
He's in the middle by that green building in B.
Thought you seen him.
Oh, that went.
Remote out.
Wait, 11 and 1? That's like field room? Really eat.
Joe's trying to pop out for
My
the
boy said he
fucking
wanted the
tube.
clip, so
I know,
check
and
it on the clip.
I'm out here 4 and 5. I gotta fucking step my own shit up. Gonna be titled Joey Carries. Carried by the Ktty clan.
Hey. Okay.
I'll get it. I got it. Alright, fuck it. Alright, you got it? Let's get it.
No, it's funny because nobody takes it. I'm like,
I know.
alright.
Playing this shit like a team deathmatch.
Damn. I didn't even see him. How you filming?
Where'd you from?
Tight. Yeah, I don't want to go up there now. I'm
He
scared.
had a way better angle on there.
Oh, another one called me. I'm sick.
Where they at, though?
Ooh. Oh, this boy. Oh, I'm about to say. There's a whole bunch of them over there.
Where I'm at.
Piece of
Yeah,
shit.
there's a couple on that side.
Oh my god.
They all outside on the beach. They all watching our boy.
Hey! Boy, you got this.
Watching bomb or no? Bomb over there.
I knew that. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Bop, 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 bop. Y'all
You good,
niggas suck. Y'all niggas suck. Y'all niggas suck. Look at y'all, bitch.
People always like talking shit when they losing, yo. That's just crazy
Where
to me.
you going, boy? Where you
Like that iron.
Yeah.
Shit is crazy, bro. Shit is crazy.
Yeah, man, guess.
Alright, J, 3 and 6. I see you. Tight.
Oh, okay, huh? That's just nice.
This man's all the way in the back.
What? I didn't get nobody with that?
Good shit, good shit.
Murph.
Oh, they went that fun.
Gotta go for that defuse.
Oh.
Oh, come on, bro.
I had that C4 right on him too. He hit me with the C4 first though.
Oh shit.
Damn, good shit.
Yeah, they were focused on.
Shut up.
I thought we lost that one. TBH, dude. Shot right in the fucking cunt.
Bolas. Bolitas. I bet. I should have had two of them with that, but...
Oh, they're on A side.
Get fucking sniped.
So?
So I'm in that boiling room. There you go.
Yo, behind me, yeah.
Oh, behind. There's two of them. There's two behind.
Hey, alright.
Pay better attention, you fucks.
Expecting my jet
If you're gonna camp it, camp at the right angle.
Fuck it.
You say? You say?
Get the fuck off the airways!
Oh, they crapped me in that one. Oh, shit,
That was a
Bob.
good game.
Fuck you, nigga. Shut up.
I'll be right back.